guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a bit different. Today we are looking at properties in Ghana. So we're looking at a 1-bedroom apartment. I believe it's in Cantonment area. The apartment's not actually for me. I am in my apartment right now and I will be leaving Ghana soon. I get a lot of messages asking like, where am I staying? How did I find looking for the apartments and stuff? I thought to show you guys around an apartment. I will list all the details down below for you guys. And yeah, let's go because I'm running late.
So guys, I've now arrived at the Diamond in the City Apartments, which is an exclusive new development in Accra that features modern, spacious and luxury apartments. I love the fact that they've got an ATM, laundrette and pharmacy at the entrance of the apartment. This would be really convenient for all guests. The Diamond in the City Apartments are located in Cantonment, which is a prime location here in Accra. They're in close proximity to the best schools, hospitals, shopping malls and entertainment facilities. The apartment also provides a swimming pool, gym and parking facilities too. So let's check out this apartment. We start off with an open kitchen with an electric stove, extractor fan with lights, fridge freezer, microwave and many storage cabinets. We also have an oven as well as a bar-style kitchen countertop with 2 high chairs with back support. Here we have 3 wooden tables that can be stacked away to save space. These can effortlessly be positioned around the living space for a convenient service wherever you, your friends or guests are sat. So here you can see the balcony. It comes with a square table and 2 chairs. The apartment has lovely views of trees and other apartments in the area. It's facing the outside of the apartment complex, which could be great for more privacy, especially during the peak months such as December and April. I'm in love with this abstract art piece. It has warm and bright tones which adds more colour and playfulness to the apartment. Above we can see a modern ceiling light which is LED in a pendant style. As we head into the bedroom, we can see that the room has ceiling to floor windows with a lovely view. In this room, a cooler colour palette has been used with the use of blues, browns and whites. So we have 2 wooden matching bedside tables with a lamp at either side. We've got a flat screen TV, a long mirror and a wardrobe, and then also 1 blue chair. Now to the left of the bedroom, we have a storage cupboard with a washing machine where you can keep your spare towels, bed sheets and your iron. Directly opposite the bedroom, we've got your bathroom, which has a huge mirror, a sink, a toilet, a shower and a laundry bag. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I would definitely recommend this apartment for long-term or short-term stays. And if you've got any questions at all, please be sure to reach out to me. All my contact information will be in the description box down below. And yeah, see you guys in my next video.